Check out this 2010 Chevrolet Equinox LTZ. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are telematics, automatic headlights, passenger vanity mirror, leather seats, front head airbag, seat memory, privacy glass, remote engine start, and rear parking aid. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.